How's it going? I hope you're well. Be sure to subscribe and check out the links in my description if you want to join our trading team. But today we're going to be talking about how to use the EMA. And for this example on gold on the 4-hour time frame, we're going to go ahead and press indicators, type EMA, press it, and then it will load up for you. Once you've done that, you can double click. And in this example, we're going to use the 200 EMA, which is obviously a long-term exponential moving average. Which is going to show us the 200 bar moving average. So as you can see here, price is flowing in an uptrend. Now, if price is flowing above the EMA, in this case the 200 EMA, it means we're in an uptrend. If we flow below, it means price has broken below the 200 EMA, and we could see a reversal and a continuation down, but not always. Have a look at this scenario. We got a break, continuation, and price did go down and it reversed back up. Again, we had another breakout here. Break, close, retest, but then it dropped under. But it just gives us a broader view of sort of what price is doing, and it gives us an indication of the overall trend. As you can see on the daily, price is way above the 200 EMA, indicating that we're going to be looking at buying opportunities for gold. Now, there's lots of different strategies you can use while using EMAs. And if you want to learn more, go to my bio so you can join our free group where we can teach you lots of stuff.